In part one of this movie, we showed you how to make your own chenille letter, but the only problem with that technique was it involved making selections based on your type. So if the letter changed, then everything would be kind of messed up. So we're going to see how we could do this as an action. It's really very straightforward, just doing the same steps we did before with one little extra twist in it. So before you record the action, you have to start with the letter the way you want to begin with, and that's how you'd start recording the action. So we'll make a new action. We'll call it auto chenille. I don't know why, but why not? Click the record button, and of course now is recording. So the first step is to hold down Command or Control and click on the type layer to load it as a selection. And then from the select menu, modify contract. We're going to contract by 6. OK. Make a new layer. Now we're going to go edit fill. Normally I would just use keyboard shortcuts, but you'll see why I did this. You know what, we're going to use a color and actually choose that color. So we'll choose some color. Let's go green. Okay. Once again, modify contract by 6. New layer. Fill. Again, you'll see why I'm doing it this way in a moment. Choose the color. Pick some goldy color. Click OK. OK. You can deselect that, and then we're going to go ahead and do our texturizer filter. Settings look like they should be OK from last time, so we'll click OK, and then stop recording. Now here's what makes this difference. If I wanted to keep everything exactly the same, all I have to do is throw away these two layers, choose a different letter, A, and then simply go in here and run this action. And it should automatically do all the steps, and I'll end up with the look that I want. But here's the reason I use the fill command. Let's throw those away again. What if you decided you needed to do a different letter where the colors need to be different? Well, in that case, in here in the Actions palette, beside the two fill commands, you could turn on this little thing called modal control, which basically will bring up a dialog box. So watch the difference. We'll change to a different letter, hit the play command, and this time it's going to stop at this point, so I can actually choose the color and say this time it actually needs to be dark blue. And click OK, and then it will get to the next layer and ask me again. I can click on this, choose a different color like a lighter blue, click OK, and then it will do the rest of the steps. So that's how you can both automate it and also very easily change colors by using the fill command and turning on those modal controls. So there you have it, automatic chenille, kind of. After part one of this movie, I was flooded with emails. Oh, okay, one person asked, what the heck was that I saw? Well, if you went to Photoshop World, you'll know. If you didn't know what it is, then you'll have to wait till Photoshop World Boston to get the full story. We'll see you next time.